Welcome to Oak Island. I'm Cris Young on the air. Recently in the last 5 to 7 years, we've been asked a lot about how can we get the heat out of our home efficiently. QuietCool is the answer. What QuietCool does is it utilizes a fan up in your attic that draws the air out of your attic, cooling the attic and cooling your home. All you have to do is open a door or a window strategically, and this very efficient motor will remove the heat, the air from your home. They have become more and more popular. They work beautifully in tandem with an air conditioning system. So there's many days that the QuietCool will do the job. But when necessary, the QuietCool will work in tandem at the end of the day or the beginning of the day as you start your home comfort system. So think of it as an asset to a quality home comfort system.
You can call Oak Island.